Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the Governor of Misamis Occidental, Tinabagon, Henry S. Wagner.
Okay, tama na yung palakpak. Baka ibang ibig sabihin yan. Kayo talaga, binibigyan niyo ako ng problema. Una sa lahat, tagali na ako. Una sa tanan, I would like to congratulate the people of Osamis City, headed by their city officials, on the occasion of the celebration of the 77th Charter Anniversary and in hosting this Open Chess Tournament. Can we give a big hand to Mayor Sam Norman Quintes, Vice Mayor P.B. Levy, and the city officials? Ako'y hirap na hirap on how I will inspire you when the game is already over. So, as I welcome you all, because I understand that the participants are coming from anywhere, any part of the country, no? Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. How will I inspire you? You come here because of your enthusiasm to upgrade your career in the chess and with an aspiration to become winner. Because throughout the Philippines, I think it's here in Osamis or in the province of Misamis Occidental that the published prize will always be double during and with that, alam ko, you missed me yesterday because you wanted to be announced yesterday. Oh, that's why, alam mo, marami pa akong supposedly activities in Manila, so I have to be home in order to be with you today, so that, as usual, to all the winners, your prize will be double. Okay? Alam ko, masaya yung mga nanalo. Yung hindi nanalo, advertisement muna. Yung hindi nanalo, mayroon kayong pagkakataon. No? because few hours before we started our closing ceremony, I had a talk to our organizer. Can we give a big hand to Engineer Orbis Mundo? The man behind the scene. Kahit walang tulog, walang kain, pag-cheese ang pinag-usapan, palaging buhay. And with Grandmaster Eugene Torre, and our Executive Director of the NCAP, Grandmaster Jason Gonzalez. Alam ba ninyo kung anong pinag-usapan namin? Bakit pumapalakpa kayo? Because we discussed on the possibility for Misamis Occidental to host the ASEAN Plus Cheese Championship. Men and women division. No? So, to those who are not yet familiar, this is the championship tournament to be participated by the ASEAN member countries. No? So, there are 8 active members. So, there are at least 8 countries that will be participating. And this is called ASEAN Plus because other countries, like China or America and Iran. Israel and Iran, we can bring them together. Diba? May cross naman. So, other countries can participate. No? And for us Filipinos, this will be our rare opportunity to be directly conferred with a title as Grand Master. No? So, we are discussing and the possibility is high because when it is chess tournament, when it is something for the upliftment of sports like chess, that is always the priority of the Asinso administration. So, ang hinihintay na lang natin dito, ang approval ng FIDE. Once FIDE will approve, then we will host it on November 4 to 14. No? In time with the provincial anniversary celebration, and we will be hosting it. The venue will be our Maldives-inspired beach resort. That's in Amuram, no? There in Sinakaban, because we will have a soft opening by October. Okay? So, I believe everybody seems to be very interested, pero mayroon pa rin hindi pumapalakpak. Yung hindi nanalo, wala daw silang medals, wala din cash. Tapos, nag-register pa ng 350 pesos sa elementary and high school, open 500, and sa this is from the higher category, 800, 500, and 800 and 500. as I congratulated everybody, not only the host, city officials, the people, all of you. So, everybody will be a winner. So, everybody will be a winner. So, all participants will receive 2,000. So, I hope everybody enjoy the games because everybody is a winner, and I hope that your participation in this chess tournament in one way or another has upgraded your ability. I understand that next time you will do your best and you will invite your other friends and win this ASEAN Plus Chess Championship with Postro. Once it will be approved by FIDE, we will be preparing more surprises for you. So, in closing, in behalf of the people of Misamis Occidental, the Osamisnos, the Misamisnos, and the officials, our co-congressmen, si Congressman Segundo Ando Waminal, si Congressman Asinso Indre Waminal Jr., we would like to extend to you ang aming taos-pusong pagpasalamat in your participation, in your visit in the city of Osamis in connection with our 77th Charter Anniversary. Amin din pasasalamat sa ating special guest na palagi always supporting us in any chess activity, our Asia's first Grandmaster Eugene Murray, our Executive Director, Grandmaster Jason Gonzalez, the other Grandmasters, Rogelio Antonio, Darwin Lilo, Daniel Quizon, and our first Filipina Grandmaster, Janelle Freyla, from the city of Legazpi, Bicolana, and our international masters, Michael Concho. Si Michael, hindi ko to makakalimutan. Yung last chess tournament natin, ang tinalo niya ay isang foreigner. Tapos mahaba pang istorya. Bago tinalo, dumaan muna ng draw. Kasi tayo sila noon. Ewan ko kung paano ba ginawa na si Michael ang nagiging champion. Of course, International Master Christian Alba, Ronald Bancor, Rolando Nonti, Bernadette Galas, Sania Mendoza, Ronda Janlin, Roel Carino, and Marlon Bernardino. Ikaw, Marlon, hindi ka talaga nagbago. Noon, gwapo at mataba ka. Ngayon, mataba at gwapo pa rin. So, to all of you, maraming salamat, and we wish you the best of everything in your endeavors. Again, thank you, and God bless us all.